this is my G14 Limitless update. What I have here, what my plan is to take everything out of this car and put it into this V2 roller that I bought. So I bought a V2 roller. I'm gonna take everything out of this car and put it into this car. And I'm gonna reset this one up back to my belt drive car. I'm gonna put this what's 5670 cm 2510 kV motor back in there and put the belts back on it. So I'm gonna put this back in that car and I'm gonna move this down. Now I'm still waiting on a receiver. I was waiting on a servo, which I got this hobby nut servo. I would have got a perfect pass servo, but it was out of stock and I ain't got time to be waiting for them to get back in stock. So I'm gonna try this one out. It has good specs on it. So we'll see how it do. At 7.4 volts, pulls 680 ounce-inches of torque. At 8.4 volts, it pulls 760 ounce-inches of torque. So it is a high torque. So I'm gonna see how good this one is. I'm gonna try this one out. And I was waiting on some bearings. And I got these bearings from Island Hobby Nut 2. And I don't know, cool custom RC bearings. There's some ceramic bearings. You know, this is a kit. I bought the kit for this car. It says some ABEC rated, ABEC 7. I don't know what that means, but I guess that's supposed to mean that they're good, but we'll see. Problem is, I saw some other ABEC 7 bearings that cost like $400. So, you know, and these only cost like, what, 80 bucks or something like that. So I'm trying to wonder what's the difference, you know, but yeah, I'm gonna try them out. We'll see how good they are, you know. And so the plan is to put that up in there. Now I want to let y'all know that what I got in this car have been done before. It's been on, somebody else done it, you know. Somebody else done it. I knew somebody else done it, but I couldn't find the video because they had it named something totally different than what it is, you know, so I couldn't find it. And I happened to run across the video the other day and I seen it. Thing is, so I was watching the videos to see, you know, kind of results they getting, and they kind of gave up on it like way too soon. So they tried it, it didn't work out, so they gave up on it, you know, but it has been tried. I think the video is probably like a year or so old, so I am not the first person to do this. It's just, I'm going to try to see it through, you know, so it's been tried before, you know. So I didn't get the idea from that person. I got it from somewhere else, and I knew I saw it before, but I couldn't find it. But I found it, and I let y'all know. When I let y'all know what's up under here, I'll let y'all know who that person is too, if I remember. But the point is to transfer everything. Oh yeah, I got everything rigged up in here. And the person who also did it had his all rigged up. His was rigged up worse than mine's, but mine's is rigged up too. So I'm gonna try to put it in this car a whole lot better setup than I have it in this car. You know, this was like just a trial and error car, so I just threw it in here best way I could. But in this car, I'm gonna actually try to set it up real good and proper in this car. So hopefully it'll give me better results. And you know, I'm gonna see what I can do with it. And once I get it all figured out, you know, I don't mind sharing, so I'll tell everybody what it is, but I still want to understand what I'm talking about before I post a video, you know, and telling y'all what it is, and I don't even know how this shit work really. So let me figure out everything first, and then I'll let y'all know what I've, you know, what I figured out about it. So this is just an update. So this car is going back to the belt drive. My V2 Limitless is going to be my new G14 classified car. So the only thing I'm waiting on is my receiver. I need a receiver. And I'm gonna put it all in there, pop out all the bearings, you know, put my servo, get my receiver in, and I'll be back out tested again. You know, so stay tuned for the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out when I start posting, letting people know. And I'll catch you on the next video.